Do you know how important hydration is for your health? Let's dive into the wonders of water. Our bodies, you see, are pretty much like this planet we call home, about 60% water. And just like Earth, we need to maintain that balance to function smoothly. Water is the unsung hero of our bodily functions, from aiding digestion to cushioning our joints, regulating body temperature to flushing out toxins. It's there, working behind the scenes, keeping us healthy. But what happens when we don't give our bodies enough water? Well, imagine a car trying to run without enough oil. It starts to stutter, doesn't it? Similarly, inadequate hydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and poor concentration. It's like trying to run our body's engine without enough lubricant. So are you ready to discover some nifty hydration hacks that will help you stay optimally hydrated? Let's quench that curiosity. First things first, how do you know if you're dehydrated? The body has its way of sending out distress signals when it's running low on water. One of the most common signs is thirst, but by the time you're feeling parched, you might already be mildly dehydrated. A dry mouth is another sign that your body is crying out for hydration. It's as if your body is saying, "Hey, we could really use some water down here." Fatigue is another flag, making you feel sluggish and low on energy. Dehydration can even darken the color of your urine, turning it from a healthy pale yellow to a darker amber. And let's not forget headaches. When you're dehydrated, your brain can temporarily shrink from fluid loss. This causes it to pull away from the skull, triggering the pain and discomfort of a dehydration headache. Now that we know the signs of dehydration, let's dive into some hydration hacks. Ever tried infusing your water with fruits, herbs, or spices? Infused water is not just a trend on the rise, but it's a refreshing and enjoyable way to ensure you stay hydrated. It's quite simple, really. You take water, add in your favorite fruits, herbs, or spices, let it steep, and voila! You have an inviting drink that's not just visually appealing, but tantalizing to your taste buds as well. The beauty of infused water lies in its versatility. You can create endless combinations based on your preferences and the ingredients you have on hand. Let's consider a few delightful options. How about cucumber and mint? A classic combo that's as refreshing as a cool breeze on a hot summer day. The crisp, subtle flavor of cucumber blends perfectly with the invigorating scent of mint, creating a drink that's perfect for post-workout rehydration or simply chilling on a lazy afternoon. Or maybe you prefer the sweet and tangy blend of strawberry and lemon. This vibrant duo delivers a punch of tangy citrus and sweet berry flavor, making every sip a delightful surprise. And let's not forget, both strawberries and lemons are packed with vitamin C, giving your hydration a healthful boost. And for those seeking a little zing, why not try ginger and peach? The spicy warmth of ginger paired with the sweet, juicy flavor of peaches is a match made in heaven. This combo can not only spice up your hydration routine, but also aid digestion. The added benefit of infused water is that it makes the act of drinking water more enjoyable. And when you enjoy something, you naturally tend to do more of it. So these delicious combinations can help you increase your water intake, making sure you stay well hydrated, which is vital for your overall health and well-being. So go ahead and experiment with your own infused water recipes. Mix and match different fruits, herbs, and spices until you find your favorite combination. Remember, the more you enjoy your drink, the more likely you are to consume it. Did you know there are apps that can help you track your hydration? In this digital age, technology has made it easier than ever to stay on top of your health, and hydration is no exception. Hydration tracking apps are innovative tools designed to help keep your water intake in check, and they're quite user-friendly too. So how do these apps work? Well, the concept is simple yet effective. After inputting some basic information such as your weight, age, and activity level, these apps calculate your daily water needs. They then send you reminders throughout the day to drink water. It's like having a personal hydration coach right in your pocket. But that's not all. Some of these apps go the extra mile. They might include features like tracking your water intake over time, providing insights into your hydration habits, and even giving you rewards for meeting your hydration goals. It's a fun and interactive way to ensure you're getting enough water each day. Now, you might be wondering, which app should I use? There's a wealth of options out there. Apps like My Water Balance, Hydro Coach, and Daily Water Tracker Reminder are among the popular choices. Each has its own unique features, so you can choose one that best suits your needs. Remember, we're not endorsing any specific app. It's always a good idea to do a bit of research and check out user reviews before making your choice. One important thing to keep in mind is that while these apps are a great tool, they're not a substitute for listening to your body. If you're feeling thirsty, don't wait for an app reminder to hydrate. In conclusion, hydration tracking apps are a handy tool in your wellness toolkit, helping you stay mindful of your water intake and ensuring you're well hydrated. They turn the essential, yet often overlooked task of drinking water into an engaging activity. With a hydration tracking app, you'll never forget to hydrate. Looking for other creative ways to stay hydrated? Well, hydration doesn't always mean guzzling down glasses of plain water. There are plenty of fun and innovative ways to maintain your hydration levels. Let's dive into some of these exciting hacks. First up, why not make staying hydrated a group effort? Set up water drinking challenges with your friends or family. It could be as simple as who can drink 8 glasses of water a day for a week straight, or who can come up with the most creative infused water recipe. Not only will this motivate you to drink more water, but it also adds a fun, competitive edge. Next, consider using a marked water bottle. These bottles have time markers on them to remind you to drink water throughout the day. It's a simple yet effective way to track your water intake and ensure you're staying hydrated. Now, let's not forget about the power of fruits and vegetables. Many fruits and veggies are packed with water. Cucumbers, watermelons, strawberries, and grapefruits are all over 90% water, making them a delicious and nutritious way to boost your hydration. The same goes for vegetables like lettuce, celery, and zucchini. Incorporating these into your diet not only helps with hydration, but also provides essential vitamins and minerals. And lastly, don't overlook the benefits of herbal tea. While it's hot, it still counts towards your daily hydration. Herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, or hibiscus are not only hydrating, but also come with their own set of health benefits. Just remember to keep it caffeine-free, as caffeine can have a dehydrating effect, so there you have it. 4 creative ways to keep your hydration levels up. Mix and match these ideas to suit your lifestyle, and you'll find staying hydrated becomes a breeze. Remember, staying hydrated doesn't have to be boring. Let's recap the hydration hacks we've discovered today. We've journeyed through the realm of hydration, learning not just about its importance, but also how to ensure we're getting enough water every day. We started off by understanding how essential hydration is to our overall wellness. It's more than just quenching our thirst. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining our body temperature, lubricating joints, and facilitating essential bodily functions. It's the elixir that keeps our body machinery running smoothly. Then we delved into the signs of dehydration. It's not always as straightforward as feeling thirsty. Sometimes it's the subtle signs like dry skin, fatigue, or headache that hint at the need to up our water intake. Recognizing these signs early can help us prevent the adverse effects of dehydration and keep us in optimal health. We then explored the world of infused water, an exciting way to jazz up our hydration routine. From refreshing cucumber and mint to sweet strawberries and basil, these recipes not only add a kick of flavor to our water, but also pack a punch of essential vitamins and minerals. It's hydration with a twist. Next, we introduced you to the world of technology with hydration tracking apps. These apps serve as our personal hydration coach, reminding us to drink water and helping us track our water intake. It's like having a hydration buddy right in our pocket. Finally, we shared some creative hydration hacks. From setting water drinking goals to using a marked water bottle, these tips can make hydrating fun and effortless. As we wrap up, let's remember that staying hydrated is not a one-time task, but a daily commitment. It's about making small, consistent efforts that add up to create a big impact on our health. And with the hydration hacks we've discussed today, we're sure you're better equipped to stay on top of your hydration game. Remember, every sip counts. Stay hydrated, stay healthy.